Don't skip this one-pot healthy jerk chicken. This meal is
I know daggone well he did
you
not say
barbecue sauce
jerk
is doing the heavy
chicken.
lifting here. It's smoky and spicy. Get a bit in the
Barbecue
pot.
sauce,
The most important jerky
pineapples.
ingredient is pineapple chunks. Seriously,
The
if you leave these out, then
disrespect.
Jamaican
Tell
will
this
hunt you
man
down.
I'm
I
ready
like
to
jerk
fight.
extra
Brown
sweet, fry it in
sugar?
some more sugar, and if you can
He
handle
must
it,
be
get
making
some black
sweet
pepper
and
in.
sour
Now it's
chicken,
time to
'cause
get
ain't
the
no
pasta
way.
in. I've used shells because they remind me of the beach. Let that all
And
cook away
pasta?
for 20 minutes and then drain off
The
all the
beach.
liquid.
He
All
must
the
be
bits
making
will
sweet
absorb
and
all that
sour
delicious
chicken
jerk
soup or
flavour.
whatever this
Look
is.
at
Because ain't no
it.
way
Just
this
get
is
stuck
just.
in and
Tell
make sure to
him
share this
I'm ready
recipe
to
with your
fight.
friends.
I'm ready. My right shoulder don't work because I messed it up in the gym. But tell him
Don't
I'm
skip
ready to
this
fight.
one-pot healthy jerk chicken. This meal is
Jerk
chock full of
chicken, my
tropical flavour
behind.
and it'll transport you
If
to the
y'all want to
Caribbean.
see how
Glazed
real
barbecue
Jamaican
sauce
stuff
is
is
doing the
made, go
heavy
check
lifting
out some of my
here.
main
It's smoky
videos.
and
I
spicy.
make
Get the
step-by-step
bits in the pot.
videos
The
on
most
how to make
important jerky
Jamaican
ingredient
dishes.
is pineapple
Ain't no
chunks. Seriously,
daggone
if you
jerk
leave these
chicken.
out, then
Tell
Jamaica will
him
hunt you down.
I'm ready to
I like jerk
fight.
extra sweet, so I added some more
Anytime.
sugar.
Let's
And if you
go.
can handle